Have you ever thought about how easy it is to get funding? In this video, we'll examine an amazing opportunity to get funding like never before, almost without any obstacles at all. Learn about a revolutionary financing option that gives you $100,000 for just $880 and has unbeatable affordability. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Now, stay tuned until the very end of the video as we explore the specifics and present a funding option that has the potential to completely transform your financial future. In the dynamic landscape of business and entrepreneurship, access to quick and affordable funding can often make the difference between success and stagnation. Entrepreneurs and small business owners constantly seek ways to secure capital without undergoing cumbersome processes or facing insurmountable challenges. Enter a game changer in the financial realm, a unique opportunity that offers instant funding without the traditional hurdles, and at an astonishingly low cost of $880 for a substantial $100,000. Let's talk about some key features that make this instant funding stand out from the crowd. The landscape of business funding. Traditional avenues of funding often involve lengthy application processes, stringent credit checks, and the burden of collateral. Entrepreneurs find themselves navigating a complex maze of paperwork and bureaucracy, which can be discouraging, especially for those seeking swift financial assistance. The need for a more straightforward, accessible, and cost-effective funding solution has become increasingly apparent. The paradigm shift, instant funding. In recent times, a revolutionary approach to funding has emerged, offering entrepreneurs a faster and more affordable way to access capital. This groundbreaking model harnesses the power of cutting-edge technology to streamline the funding process. By incorporating innovative financial strategies, it paves the way for quick and efficient access to funds. Unlike conventional loans and credit lines, this model eliminates the traditional challenges associated with securing funds. Key features of instant funding. Speedy approval process. Unlike conventional funding methods that involve prolonged waiting periods, instant funding lives up to its name. Entrepreneurs can expect rapid approval, often within hours, allowing them to seize time-sensitive opportunities or address urgent financial needs. Minimal documentation. Say goodbye to stacks of paperwork. Instant funding typically requires minimal documentation, reducing the administrative burden on entrepreneurs. This simplicity contributes to a faster and more efficient funding process. No credit checks. Traditional funding sources often scrutinize credit history, creating challenges for those with less than perfect credit. Instant funding breaks this barrier by not relying on credit checks, making it accessible to a broader range of entrepreneurs. Collateral-free. Many entrepreneurs are hesitant to pledge assets as collateral for loans. Instant funding eliminates this requirement, providing unsecured financial support to businesses without putting valuable assets at risk. Affordability. For a remarkable $880, entrepreneurs can secure a substantial $100,000, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. How it works. The process demystified. Entrepreneurs begin by completing a straightforward online application, providing basic information about their business and funding needs. The automated approval process quickly assesses the application, taking into account various factors beyond just credit history. Once approved, the funds are disbursed promptly, allowing entrepreneurs to use the capital for their intended business purposes. Repayment terms are transparent and manageable, with entrepreneurs having the flexibility to repay the borrowed amount in a way that aligns with their business cash flow. Realizing entrepreneurial dreams. This instant funding solution is a game changer for entrepreneurs looking to propel their businesses forward without the obstacles typically associated with securing capital. Whether it's expanding operations or navigating unexpected challenges, the accessibility and affordability of this funding model empower entrepreneurs to take control of their financial destiny. In the ever-evolving landscape of business finance, the emergence of affordable and instant funding options marks a paradigm shift. This innovative approach prioritizes speed, accessibility, and affordability, providing entrepreneurs with a powerful tool to fuel their aspirations and drive business success. As finance evolves, embracing innovative solutions could be the new norm for confident and financially stable entrepreneurial journeys. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the exciting world of instant funding and how it's transforming the entrepreneurial landscape. Remember, your success is our success. So, keep hustling, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep chasing those dreams. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and let us know which aspect of instant funding resonates with your business goals. Thank you for joining us on the journey of this video. Your presence enhances the experience.